Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Knott. We're going to be going through question 50 of 50. Is the child capable of speaking and writing in more than one language? This is important for not just, the impairments, but also cultural relevance. So let's say that at home, the child only speaks Spanish. But then when the child goes to school, they only speak English. Why is this relevant? How does it affect the child's impairments? Does the child have any, mental fears, issues as a result of that? Does the child feel like they culturally can't connect to the school that they're in? Sometimes, just as a technical note, as a trial tactic, you might, if the child speaks both languages, to give the child more time to respond, you'll have, essentially, if the child's not very good at English, or, you'll have a translator there to translate into Spanish. And that gives the child a chance to sort of hear it in English and then hear it again in Spanish. So question will come as English. It'll then go to the translator. The translator will translate to Spanish. The child will then get to hear the question twice before they have to give a response. A little bit of a trial tactic. Anyways, guys, it's important because there might be something going on there where the child does not feel like they can integrate with other students. And I know what you're thinking, how does this prove that the child is disabled or impaired? Well, that's how it could have started. It could have started as a thing where they were starting to feel depressed because they weren't able to connect with other students who could speak English really well or speak Spanish really well or speak whatever really well in that little clique, And that could be the foundation that grew and grew and grew over time as all these kids kind of separated from that child. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Knott, Disability Resolution, PA. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave 5-star reviews. I'll catch you a little bit later. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.